Hi, so we'll be looking at the get read operation in REST API. Get requests are used to retrieve resource representation or information only. They are used to get information from the server, not to edit it, delete it, or update it in any way. As get requests do not change the state of the resource, these requests are known as save methods. Additionally, get APIs should be idempotent, which means that making multiple identical requests must produce the same results every time until another API, post or put, has changed the state of the resource on the server. Remember, post or put stands for updating and adding a request. For any given HTTP GET request, if a resource is found on the server, it must return HTTP response code 200, which means that the status is okay, along with the response body, which is usually either JSON or HTML content due to their platform independent nature. In case a resource is not found on the server, it must return HTTP response code 404, which means that request is not found. Similarly, if it is determined that the GET request itself is not correctly formed, then the server will return HTTP response code 400 bad request. So example on my screen is a simple GET request. So here we are trying to get the number of all users from the server. Note, if the request URI refers to a data producing processes, it is the produced data that is returned as the entity in the response and not the resource test of the process, unless that test happens to be the output of the process.